If you want to fetch your inbox details in a sheet, this template is for you. So before fetching the emails, you need to go to settings and put a link of a Google Drive folder. And what this will do is all the attachment that is associated with the email will be saved in this drive. So if I open, this is based on my previous executions. So these are the attachment that was found in my drive. Now I can go to, if whenever I want to fetch the emails, I go here and click on fetch emails. Every time I click this, it checks the last 50 email in the inbox and fetches them with the date, from, to, subject, content. And if there is any attachment, the link of the attachment is here and the attachment is stored in the folder that you have defined over here. And this is very easy to use and very helpful in managing the inbox data if you want to be collected in the sheet.